Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube here. I'm on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with, I'd say it's like an old-fashioned pour, maybe one that I started on my first art journey. These were kind of the pours that I did. Always enjoyable, and I always did really nice bright colours. So that was a fluorescent yellow, and I'm kind of just doing it in a zigzaggy pattern, which is quite easy for beginners. Yeah, that's a fluoro yellow, yeah, by Global Paints, and it's mixed with my global pouring medium. Excuse me. So I'm just going to layer the colours in this zigzaggy fashion, and I'll explain as I go along. Okay, at this point I've added some really bright, vibrant rainbow of colours, I guess. So there's the cool yellow in there, there's the cool green, the red, the orange. I'm just showing you that it's iridescent medium, and I've put some of the iridescent medium in that purple paint, which had just given it the sparkle. And I think I sort of just changed my mind there, in that I'll use that purple to swipe with, because I've got asked recently, can you swipe with anything besides black and white? And it absolutely can swipe with any colour you choose. It really does work the same, as long as you put the same ingredients. If you want cells in it, then usually my Keep It Simple pouring medium will add cells, but if you want the extra special cells, like created by the bloom effect, then you need to add Australian Floetrol to your paint, and especially to Amsterdam paint seems to have some really wonderful effects. So I've just put the white on there, and I will be swiping with that purple. That iridescent medium I just got from my local cheapie store for less than $5. So I was testing it out in this particular paint. I have used it many times before, but not for a while. So let's give the purple a go, a whirl. My goodness, look at those cells popping up out of that. That would make a really good landscape swipe, I guess, because you could kind of, looking into it, you can see that you could quite easily create a landscape out of that with the different colours. It's coming up absolutely beautiful. Cells are popping out wonderfully. So look at those nice bright and vibrant colours, enough to lift anybody's day. So beside the iridescent medium, I added 1 drop of the Boom Booster, which is from the Boom Gel Paints people. I've added this before because it's supposed to not be silicone based, it's supposed to be alcohol based. So I'm thinking that it won't be so much trouble if you want to resin over a piece with the residue left from silicone. Can be a pain to clean off, and if it's not cleaned off properly and you resin, you'll get left with lots of pits in your piece. So the Boom Booster, just add in a drop of that, 1 drop. I don't think I even added it in every colour, and it's created like a beautiful cell explosion. So just look at that, and just reminds me of the pieces. If you go back to the very first videos I did, they were kind of definitely like this, so you can see where I got the encouragement from. Wow, aren't that gorgeous? I just wanted to do something bright and uplifting to make me feel good, and these type of artworks are my feel good ones, when they're nice, bright and uplifting. And there you go. Somebody asked me, can you swipe in any colour? And that was the purple with that iridescent medium in it, so it gives it, see the real sparkle in there, and that really lifts it up. So yes, you can swipe in any colour you like, it doesn't have to be black or white. There you go, it looks like a really beautiful rainbow of colours in there, and it's bright and uplifting, and I really like it. I am not sure whether to do some balloon kisses in there, but I guess I will, because it wouldn't be Gillified if I didn't. So on with the next bit of joy for me anyway. So what I decide to do here is not my balloon kisses straight away. I'm doing some puddle pours in there, just the 2 colours, the white and the purple with the iridescent medium. I'm just going to blow them out with my straw, and then I will add some balloon embellishment to them. But I find that this effect as well is gorgeous. It gives like a, pardon me, 3D floating, like they're really floating there, a real Hawaiian kind of I don't know, effect or a memory of a Hawaiian what do you call them, hibiscus flower. So I'll do some of these, and then I will embellish them a little bit further with my balloon. But watch how they turn out. They really do look like they're kind of floating there.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
just giving a whiz over with my heat wand. That's quite perfect to be just like that. That's fine, but I did go on and pour a little bit of black, well, I think it was the dark navy, and further embellished it with the balloon down the centre. You may or may not like these effects, but I was super happy with it because I just felt that darker colour, which must have been black by the look of it, you know, really did make it stand out. And I was super happy with it. So what do you guys think? I mean, I know everybody's personal taste, some will like it with and some without, but hope you enjoyed that today, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye for now.